Before you launch your WordPress site, there are 6 critical server requirements you absolutely need to know. I learned this the hard way when setting up cvglobal.com, and I'm going to save you from those headaches. First, let's talk about PHP version. WordPress officially requires PHP 7.4 or higher, but here's the real talk. 7.4 is actually an end-of-life status. For my sites, I'm running PHP 8.2 because it's actively supported and way more secure. You can check your PHP version right from your WordPress dashboard under Tools, then Site Health. Second, you need the right database. WordPress requires MySQL version 8.0 or higher, or MariaDB version 10.4 or above. This is where all your content, users, and settings get stored. Make sure your host provides SSD storage for that database. It makes a massive difference in speed. Third, web server software matters. WordPress recommends either NGINX or Apache with the mod rewrite module enabled. Both work great, but NGINX tends to handle traffic better under heavy load. That's what I use on my VPS. Fourth, HTTPS support is non-negotiable. You need SSL certificates for security and SEO. Most good hosts provide free SSL through Let's Encrypt, which you can see on your screen. Fifth, hardware specifications. You'll need sufficient disk space. Start with at least 10 gigabytes, but scale based on your media usage. RAM is crucial too. I recommend at least 1 gigabyte for small sites, but 2 to 4 gigabytes if you're running multiple plugins or WooCommerce. Sixth, server location and CDN options. Your server location affects loading speed for visitors. If your audience is global, pair your hosting with a CDN like Cloudflare. For regional sites, choose a data center close to your users. Key points to remember: use PHP 8.2 or higher for security. Ensure your database runs on SSD storage, and always enable HTTPS. These aren't just recommendations. They directly impact your site's performance and security. For hosting that meets all these requirements, I personally use Contabo for my VPS needs, and I've had great experiences with SiteGround and Hostinger for managed WordPress hosting. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching. If this helped you choose the right hosting setup, hit that like button and subscribe for more WordPress tutorials. Drop a comment if you need help with your server setup.